Place the t-shirt. The plate can be pulled over long distances. Safer than short distance or non-withdrawable plate. Place the printing pattern. And high temperature isolation cloth. Set temp and time. The machine uses a separate control panel. No need to operate near the heating plate. Safe and easy to use. Adjust the downward pressure. Using the pressure adjustment knob, wait for the heating plate to heat up to the preset temperature. Press down the handle. When the set time is up, lift the heating plate. After the t-shirt cools down, remove high temperature isolation cloth and the transfer pattern film. Prefect transfer result.